Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see an example of linear regression in Python. So linear regression is a statistical modeling technique used to analyze the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. It aims to find the best fit straight line that represents the linear relationship between the variables. So firstly, we are going to import NumPy in our notebook as NP. As the second step, I'm going to say from using the sklearn framework dot linear underscore model, and we are going to import the linear regression algorithm. Okay, now I can press Alt and Enter in this notebook to create the new cell. So we need some sample data. Currently we don't have any CSV to load with the data frame. Instead, what we can do, just create X using NumPy np dot array. We are going to create a two-dimensional array. Okay, in the square brackets, we have to put elements like this. Here, this one will be 1, and here in this 2, this will have 3. The next one 4. Last one is 5. Okay. So those are independent variables. Let me just add some comment. As the second step, I'm going to create the y. Y will be dependent variable. We can use np dot array parentheses. Inside the parentheses, just passing in values 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alright, so these will be dependent variable. Okay, now I'm going to execute the cell. So the next step is the create and fit the linear regression model. For that we can say something like regressor is equals to linear regression we should get the suggesters. Okay, here what we do is create and fit the linear regression model. That means we are going to say regressor dot fit, and we are going to pass in the x, this x, and the y. Alright, so I'm going to run that cell also. Here it is created. It just took few milliseconds because this dataset is not large. And finally, we can just predict the values for new data points. For example, by saying x underscore new equals to a new array, a NumPy array, two-dimensional. So we have to pass in elements like this into the array. Okay, so these are new data points, And finally, we can create y thread or whatever variable name for that. We have to say regressor, call for this regressor one we created, and use its predict method. We had to pass in x new. So I'm going to run that cell. Let's print out this y thread. Here we are going to print the predicted values. Okay, we got 12, 14 and 16. Okay, that's how we can create a simple linear regression used Python code. I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.